What if I told you happiness is achievable? Imagine a life full of joy and purpose. Many wonder about life's ultimate goal. Is it fame, riches, or something deeper? In Divine Pleasure, Shaykh al-Islam Dr. Tahir-ul-Qadri offers a captivating answer. True contentment lies in seeking Almighty Allah's approval. First, realize that every sincere action matters. Good deeds bring us closer to divine love. Next, focus on intention. Purify your heart for every act, and find serenity. Engaging in worship, charity, and kindness leads to spiritual fulfillment. Small, daily acts can transform your life. They guide your spiritual journey. Imagine a community united by love and purpose, thriving together in seeking divine pleasure. In summary, divine pleasure teaches intentional living. Sincerity, action, and connection with Almighty Allah bring peace. Embrace this journey. Discover divine pleasure. Contact Minhaj Publications, www.minhaj.biz.